What is investing? For those who don't know what is investing, this video will tell you about it. I will tell you what is investing. How do investments earn you money and the risk with investing? Allocate money in the expectation of some benefit in the future. The basic idea of investing is to commit money or any other resource in the expectation of some future benefit. For example, let's talk about your college education. Your college education is also a type of investment. You invest with your money and time to earn a degree. And the job is your future benefit. Therefore, the time and money which you invest to get a degree is your investment. And the job which you earn in the future is your return. Now let's talk about how do investments that earns you money. There are a lot of ways by which investment earn you money. There are two which are the most prominent ones. Number one, through appreciation. Whenever you hold an asset, there will be two outcomes of it: either its value will increase or its value will decrease. So, when you buy an asset and if its value increases, it is called as appreciation. Here the money you spend to buy the asset is your investment. And the increased value of your asset is your future return. Now let us assume that you bought antique painting worth $1,000 and after 5 years the value of the painting went up to $5,000. In this case, $1,000 is your investment and the return which you got after 5 years is your reward. The second most common way by which you can make money through investing is through interest. Whenever you lend some money to anyone, that person pays you a monthly interest. So here the money but you're lending to someone is your investment and the interest which you are getting monthly is your return. So, in this case, the money which you lent is your investment and the interest which a borrower will pay you is the return or the future benefit. Now these were the two ways by which the investment helps you to make money. Every investment which you make has a risk involved in it. And it also has a reward in investing. Risk and reward goes hand in hand. What I mean is, if you invest in something which has a very low risk, then the return will be low. And if you invest in something which has a very high risk, then your returns will also be high. Low risk is equal to low reward and high risk is equal to high rewards. In the next video, I will explain to you why investing is a must for everyone who wants to achieve their financial goals.